Okay, now this time we are going to use might. M-I-G-H-T, might. And we use might whenever you want to say shayad, right? When there are less chances. For example, you're watching football match, America versus Spain, and you see Spain 5 goals, America 1 goal, and then you say America might win this match. America might win this match means chances are very very like what do you say, minimal chances that America might win this match, right? For example, you can say I might go to Gujranwala this weekend. I might means maybe or may not be. Okay, so
Maybe the same might.
yes, it is same, but might means when the chances are really less. May is used for possibility and for permission, and might is used for possibility as well, but when the chances are very little, right? Like he might get married again. Chances are little. Okay, exactly.
What is the difference between might and perhaps?
Might is a modal verb, and perhaps is a sort of adverb, right? I mean, you can use might with other verbs, but you can use perhaps as one word. Perhaps it's in the corridor, or perhaps it's too late, like that. Okay. Now, this time you'll make some sentences, like you can say, I might visit the garden. I might go to Islamabad next week. I might start a new class next month, like that.
I might to join my class tomorrow.
I might join my class tomorrow.
I might to visit.
I might visit. After might, we don't use to. I might visit the museum.
I might visit Turkey.
I might visit Turkey.
I might to see. To
I might see. After
I-
might, we don't use to.
I might see adventure movie.
I might see adventure movies. Okay.
I might learning essay.
I might learn the essay.
I
Okay,
want to
that's
learn
good.
this.
Next one, please.
I might go Islamabad tomorrow.
I might go to Islamabad tomorrow. After might, you cannot use to, but I might go to Islamabad tomorrow.
Okay. I might go to office.
I might go to office day after tomorrow.
yesterday.
Day after tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sorry. Day
Yeah.
after tomorrow. And I might go Koita
I might go to Koita
next week.
next week. Okay.
Okay. And I might visit my friend.
I might visit my friend.
Tomorrow.
Okay, that's good. So chances are, minimal chances. Yes.
I might purchase new car next month.
Very good.
I might travel to Riyadh
I might travel to Riyadh,
Riyadh.
right?
in the next month.
Next month,
Next
okay.
month. I might join the English class.
I might
tomorrow.
join English class tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
right?
I might spend money on orphans.
Yeah, I might donate money to orphans.
Donate
Money to
to
orphans.
orphans next month or next year.
Okay.
I might start new business.
Okay, that's right. I might start some new
some new
business.
business.
Very good. Yes.
I might buy a new watch.
शायद शायद मैं नया business शुरू करूं. I might start new business.
I might buy a new watch.
I might buy a new watch.
I might eat McDonald's tomorrow.
I might eat McDonald's. पूरा McDonald's ही खा जाएंगे.
Yeah,
I might
very
eat
good.
fast food from
Fast food,
McDonald's
yeah.
tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Don't eat McDonald's, huh? Okay. Yeah, people usually say that I'll eat McDonald's means anything from McDonald's. Even that is right. Informal English. Let's eat KFC. Now it doesn't mean KFC खाएं. Means KFC जाके खाएं ये.
I might buy a new car.
For my brother.
for me.
Good. Very good. Yeah, he wants it.
I might go supermarket with my family.
I might go to the supermarket
Okay,
with,
with
my
my
family.
family.
Okay. Yes, please.
I might to change my phone.
After might we don't use to. Paijan है ना? Yeah.
yes, sir.
I might change my phone.
I might change my phone.
Get ready. Yeah, he's going to change his phone.
I might buy a new car. I might travel to Riyadh. I might to membership. I might membership.
I might get the membership of
I
Royal
might
Palm.
I might
Get the
get
membership
membership to
of
UFC.
Royal Palm or anything.
UFC.
UFC. Okay.
UFC. I might start a new business.
Okay, I might start a new business. Very good.
I might travel to America.
All right, very good. So, all good. This was the use of might. Now, when you guys are going to come tomorrow, we'll have some more activities. Probably we'll have some cross questioning activity. Then we will have some dialogue activity, right? So, we'll do a variety. But I request you all to be here on time so that we could start the class at 2 o'clock and we could enjoy even better time together. Let's see, we'll have another class here. This is really good. I mean, winter season and atmosphere is good. So, inshallah, we'll have a wonderful class. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
you.
Thank you.